My name is Cheryl Titzer. I'm the Vice President of Accounting at Tower Federal Credit Union. So Tower has in excess of over 1,000 balance sheet accounts, and all of those reconciliations were being done manually in Excel using core reports. We had multiple core systems for our shares, our loans, and then our GL system. You can imagine the daunting task of reconciling that many transactions and that many balance sheet accounts. So when we learned about automated reconciliation, it was like I was ready to pull the plug and let's go. But my senior accountant at that point, she's like, if we do this, we're going to make for a lazy accountant because you're going to take their jobs away. And I'm like, no, not taking their jobs away. We had an ambassador come to our department to kind of learn what accounting did. And we walked her through how to reconcile the Federal Reserve account. And she says, so basically in accounting, all you guys do is color all day long because we're ticking and tying all of the transactions, they side and the we side. So I'm like, okay, this is putting things into perspective. It's time that we automate. We're getting larger, by the day, by the year. So we took the journey. We started the journey probably in mid-2020. We did it very slowly. We had Walt as our implementation manager. And then COVID hit. So it kind of slowed down our progress. And then everything went virtual. At that point, we then started a core transformation for our core system. So we knew this was the time. This was the time for us to start doing the automation more rapidly than what we had been doing. Probably the biggest benefit, the biggest ROI that we had is before we had Frontier, the department was probably 9 FTEs. Now my department is 4 FTEs and an AVP. So we've pretty much reduced our internal staff by 50%. And the team that is in place today embraces technology. So we're using it every day. We're not afraid of automation. One of the things that Patty Young and myself are trying to do is automate everything in accounting. So Trintech and Frontier will play a big piece of that automation moving forward. So the Trintech team that we're used to seeing every day and we see here at the conference, a lot of those were our colleagues from Fiserv, but I can see a difference in them. They're different than they used to be when they were with Fiserv previously, more knowledgeable, more collaborative, and it's great to see them supporting each other. So when we're going through these one-on-one sessions, if somebody gets hung up, somebody's right there to pull them right back in. Them as a Trintech employee, I just feel like they care more for us. It's like I can walk down the hall and it's, hi, Cheryl. It's not, I know her, but I don't know her. So we like that personal relationship. The best advice I could give is the fact that I said people were afraid that we would be taking their jobs or we would be making for a lazy accountant that wouldn't be knowledgeable. But as long as you keep up with change management and you show them this is what you're doing now, and that it frees you up to focus on the problems instead of matching things that just automatically are going to match, go for it. Don't let it stop you. Trintech absolutely has given me more of a balanced life. We close our books in 2 days, 3 sometimes. There's no more staying late, past 8 o'clock at night to meet those goals. So the ability to close my computer and go home and spend time with my horse and for my team to go home and be with their families, it's important. And balancing work life is really important to Tower as an organization.